The history of diving is a fascinating journey that spans thousands of years and encompasses various cultures, technologies, and purposes. Diving can be broadly categorized into two main types: breath hold diving and underwater breathing apparatus diving. An Egyptian named Ahsan ul Ghawasin, it was the one credited with inventing the first diving apparatus. This Egyptian inventor was a member of the Turkish Sultan Saladin Navy. Prior to the advent of diving breathing aids, divers had to develop the ability to hold their breath for an extended period of time at specific depths in order to finish dives. Advances in technology have led to the development of specialized equipment for different diving purposes, such as rebreathers for extended dive times and remotely operated vehicles for deep-sea exploration. Throughout its history, diving has undergone a remarkable transformation from its humble origins to a diverse and dynamic field that enables humans to explore and understand the underwater world in ways previously unimaginable. Night diving is an extraordinary adventure that unveils a hidden world, transforming familiar dive sites into an entirely new experience. At night, marine creatures behave differently. Some are more active and others take shelter. It's an incredible opportunity to encounter elusive creatures rarely seen during the day. Night diving pushes you to refine your skills. Capturing the beauty of the darkness requires patience and dedication. But the results are awe-inspiring. Nocturnal observations provide valuable insights into the natural behaviors and interactions of marine organisms. It's crucial for conservation efforts and understanding the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. This footage reminds us of the urgency to protect our lakes, rivers, and oceans and preserve these wonders for future generations.